Learn the use of na-abanye. Na-abanye means is entering as a verb in sentences. We are going to use this verb na-abanye in our sentences now. Igbo, English. The first sentence is Maazị Okeke na-abanye n'ubi ya ugbua. Maazị Okeke na-abanye n'ubi ya ugbua. Meaning, Maazị Okeke is entering his farm now. Ọ bụ nri o butere ndị ọrụ ya na-abanye. Ọ bụ nri o butere ndị ọrụ ya na-abanye. Meaning, he is entering with the food he brought for his workers. Ọ na-abanye ugbua. Meaning, he is entering now. Ọ na-abanye ugbua. He is entering now. You can see that is entering is our verb, meaning na-abanye, na-abanye. So, that is why we underlined it both in English and in Igbo. We also use the same color marker to write same words both in English and in Igbo for easy understanding. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.